and easy English for beginners. English.
Good morning, Nisha.
Good morning, Sanju.
How are you today?
I am fine. How about you?
I am great. You look happy today.
Yes, I am excited.
Why are you excited?
Today is art class.
Wow, that is nice.
I love drawing.
Me too.
Let us go inside.
Yes, let us go. Classroom.
Did you do your homework?
Yes, I did.
Was it difficult?
A little difficult.
I can help next time.
Thank you.
You are welcome.
Did you finish yours?
Yes, I finished.
That is good.
The teacher is coming.
Sit properly.
Yes,
Open your notebook.
okay.
Nisha, what did you bring?
I brought sandwiches.
They look tasty.
Thank you.
What about you?
What about you?
I brought paratha.
I like paratha.
Let us share.
Great idea.
Here you go.
Thank you.
You are welcome.
Your food is delicious.
Yours too. Art class teacher says, children, draw your favorite place.
What will you draw?
I will draw a garden.
Nice choice.
What about you?
I will draw mountains.
That sounds beautiful.
Thank you.
Can I see later?
Sure.
Art class is fun.
Yes, very fun.
School is over.
Yes, time to go home.
I enjoyed today.
Me too.
See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.
Bye, Nisha.
Bye, Sanju.
Take care.
You too.
More, like, subscribe, and share with your friend.